So there's a good pair of fucking needle nose pliers, clipping like that. Basically like that. No, of course this one's going to be a cunt. Right, put it like that. Needle nose pliers down. Right, so we got a small ratchet, 8mm, and on the right, so loosen this off the ignition coil. Just gonna do that for all of them. We're getting there, we're getting there. She's coming out. She's coming out. Oh, she's out of the closet. Is she out of the closet? Ew. 3 more of these to do. Fuck, they don't mean much room to give your fingers in, do they? Fucking bit tight. Oh, look at that skill. Look at that fucking skill. Look at that fucking skill right there. Alright. Ladies, you know where to contact me. Oh, fucking jeez. Fuck, this one's tighter. Right. Don't fucking lose this, don't drop us, don't drop us, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, you! The only problem is I'm just thinking that's going to be a cunt to get back in. Because these aren't magnetic sockets, so, and I don't have any. Well, I know of anyway. Right, all 4 screws are out. Oh, there we go. Okay, right, so that's that one. And then, oh, I love the sound of these coming out. Oh, fuck. That's a fuck. Get them out. So, because this car's a bit like a fucking nun, it's quite tight to get into. So, I think the best thing, what I think, is get a flathead and just put pliers behind or anything behind to stop it from going kind of off in a direction, and then just lift it up. So flathead underneath, pliers in behind. There we go. So when I'm misfiring cylinder 2, and as you look at the ignition coil, this is all rusted out, so I assume get a light, that spark plug's done to fuck then. There's a lot of corrosion in there. So that spark plug's been done. Why that's became corrosive though. There's some oil sitting on top of that one. This is an actual spark plug socket. It's precisely made for them. It's a 14mm. I don't know which size these are, to be honest. So I've got 16mm, which is standard. 6" bar 16mm socket on it. But I hope these ones fit because they're magnetic. I think it is. I think it's 16. So, oh, that's. Oh yeah, it's tight in there. Right. Now, let's hope this is magnetic enough to lift it. We've got it, we've got it. So, that one it looks quite dry. They've been in for a while, so they're a bit worn down and knackered. But yeah, I can't get this to calibrate on without blurring, but it's quite dry. It's just a bit corrosive for being for a while, but overall, what does cap look like? Cap looks pretty good. Feels pretty loose. I'll have to figure that out. Spark gap's kind of the same. It's obviously just a lot more corroded. But we'll see what the other three are like. We'll take them out, or with the other two. Right, so that's a problem. That one is covered head to toe in oil. We're a proper fucking camera now. Yeah, look at this fucking higher quality and shit. So, take the last spark plug out. It's also covered in oil. So because these two are covered in oil, what we want to do is I want to set the camera down, and we're going to just quickly fire over starter just to kind of fuck all the oil out so it doesn't block her as such, or try and choke her on start. I usually struggle getting into the hole. Hang on, so as you can see, that's clear now. That one was covered in oil. There's still wee, obviously you can't really see right now, but there's still wee remnants of it, but no, it's near enough completely clean. So we have MK's finest. Yes, that's fucking what you need. That's a fucking job right there. Run gently. Oh fuck. Right, I'm just gonna turn her to start. Okay. Right. Now, don't want to over tighten these, but you want to make them tight, so just use your fucking inbuilt torque setting. Just gonna go nice and slow until we get a wee bit of resistance like that, and then just a wee bit of, yep, not too much, not too low. Right, there we go, that's one done. I'll torque her down with the wrench, of course. Okay. Right, so that's them all four put back in. Time to do the ignition coils now. Now, with this one being, I've rubbed all the corrosion off it. Could be water, it could be a bit damaged. So what we're going to do is we'll install them all again. See how she would run, because she ran fucking so fresh clean ones she should run. But we'll connect the computer up to her, and we'll see if she still has a misfire in cylinder 2. Then we know it's the ignition coil. We'll have to get a new ignition coil. It's just with water and shit in it for being so long. It might be a bit damaged. Then, as you can see, these just simply slide over the top, and you just push in till it's down flat. You can usually tell that if you feel down there, you should be able to feel flatness, and obviously get the holes for the nut to go in lined up. Just drop them down in. They go in quite easily actually. Again, just drop right in. Then we take our 8mm bolts and we'll simply just put the bolt through there and ring them up. So that's what we'll do now. This one's going to be quite easy because I get plenty of access with my fingers, but the other two are going to be a bit of a fucking nightmare. So there. Tighten her down snug. One done, and now 3 fucking tricky ones to do. And this is magnetic to some degree. It's not great, it's a bit old. So, of course, I need to fucking get close. Alright, hang on. Trusty old magnet. If you all work on cars, these are fucking great for wee things like that. Look at that. That is fucking unreal. Like a catching a fish. Right, round 2. We'll see if we can fucking in. Okay, it's in. It's falling in. But we've got it in the hole, and that's all it counts at the end of the day. You know? So as you get it in, that's all that matters. Doesn't matter if it takes 5 or 10 minutes to get it in. As long as you can get it in eventually, that's all that matters. That's what I've learned in life anyway. May it be wrong, may it be true, I don't know. Just tighten it up a fucking again. There we go. Right, another fucking 2 tricky ones to do. Let's see if we can get her in, get her in, get her in. Now, this is, if I do, okay, that, yeah, come on. So you probably will need to, if yours aren't as magnetic like mine, you've got the cheap Amazon fucking Basics finest. Amazon fucking finest, best hose about. You will have to like use your finger to like guide it. Use your finger to guide it in. You know, been there before, had to do that before, and yeah, there we go. Get it tightened. There we go. Simple enough. Last one, the finale. Right, plug it back in. Just push these on, you'll hear the click. Yeah. You simply just, as you see in there, or as you can see, or as you can't see, screws back in, iron nuts back in, and these are just simple push on. Or well, fucking simple if you're using 2 hands. And just push it on till it clicks. And just push it on till it clicks. Alright, so she's talking. Oh shit. Oh fucking jeez, fuck. Oh, I hate when it does that. Thank fuck. Anyway, so she talked a wee bit at the start there, obviously getting them kind of warmed up and set in, but yeah, she maybe took a video of it starting beforehand. But where it starts on a cold start, it go up to near enough 2,000 RPM before having to come back down. That only went above 1,000 slightly. I actually thought she was going to cut out any second, but no. She didn't, so she already feels healthy and sounds healthier. That's why I really should have took a video beforehand, just demonstrate that. But yeah, we're going to take her, put the computer in her anyway, see if it misfire for number 2 still coming up. Now she didn't have an engine for misfire, or an engine light for it, but she was coming up misfire anyway on the computer. We had to, I had a anti-pollution sensor go faulty, so I had to change it. Whenever I wiped it, it was coming up on the computer, misfire cylinder 2. So yeah, we're going to get that anyway. If that is in, that's the ignition coil, but I don't think so. I think even just by the sounds of her and how much more healthy she was running, I think she should be alright.